My grandson called and said that he and 13 of his classmates from the university had rented a house in Mississippi for a week, and they were all going to stay there. And among the things that they were going to do is try to live on $40 a day for food. To do that, they were going to break up into teams of 2, and that team was responsible for the food for that day. And he wanted to know if I thought we might be able to catch enough fish to feed 14 people if he would come up. And I told him we would give it a try. So about a week later, he came up on Friday night, and the weather forecast for Saturday was bad. It got down to 26 degrees Friday night. But by about 10:30, the temperature was up to 38 degrees. And by the time we got down to the lake with the kayaks, it was almost 40 degrees. So we went ahead and got our trip in, and we're going to share that trip with you. My grandson had gone kayaking several times, but he had never been on a sit-on-top kayak, nor had he ever been fishing out of a kayak. So this was to be quite an experience for him. It didn't take long for us to start catching white bass.
Grandpa's got one. Said it's a big one. Woo! Wow. I think that's a white bass.
No, it's a buffalo.
It's a buffalo.
They're real good eating, Andrew.
I am okay with that. I think you. Grandpa got this amazing buffalo. He caught it. What'd you catch it on?
Caught it on a flicker shad.
It's a good size one too. All right. Nice.
Well, after I caught this fish, we went almost an hour without catching another fish, and the weather dropped 10 or 15 degrees to the upper 30s, so we decided to call it a day. But the picture that you see here is a snapshot from when we were launching the boat, and we did not see the flat tire on the right side of the trailer. So my grandson had to stay with the trailer for almost an hour while I went home and got another wheel to put on the trailer. We ended up catching enough fish for his fish fry, and my grandson had a great time fishing out of a kayak for the first time.